Usimbut Mawdiangdiang ke Jylla kami ia ketanat PWD ba Pristun Tinsong hagasngi palai ulalum ya ke Jingyalang bishar kam bat ki he officer ketanat bat pyndep ba ya ke Iingdorbar Thaw an bethamai jong ke Jylla ke balate ha Mawdiangdiang on sependep no Hapoh benai Nailar arhajar arhusaw. Habaya kren berkinong tok kubor uba Pristun ulo ong ke jingtei mentak layat pha bat lati kena ban la pyndep no ya ke ni ke Iingdorbar Hapoh ke por ke babu da ke sarkar bat kata kalong ha lani haswa ubenai Nailar arhajar arhusaw. One is
relating to the progress of work of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building at Mawdiangdiang. We have called all the contractors and then the PMC and then from my department. So we have reviewed it, everything, and then now the work is in good progress, not out of it. And I'm sure they'll be able to complete it as per the targeted date made by the government, and that should be on or before August 2024. Now, in fact, they have already cleared all the debris, and the foundation is already in full swing, like laying of tie beam and everything. And now they have already ordered also the prefab items, and very soon it will reach the site, and they will start installing all those. See, additional cost about the collapse, it is not there at all. But the additional cost on the basis of additional items, it is there, but I don't have right now all the details because we need to again discuss in the Hapoh committee, because now my review meeting is only with the PWD building and the contractors and also with the PMC. I already told you, they need to complete it by August 2024. Yes. And we really wanted to shift, or maybe we will have our first sitting in the next autumn session.